All right, today we're going to be talking about the universe zoom in. The universe is what we're going to start with, and it is the largest thing. It's kind of like our big suitcase. And it was formed 14 billion years ago. So it's very, very old. This is our largest or our biggest thing. Okay? Again, it's kind of like our suitcase, and we're going to put everything in it. So we know the universe is pretty dark, because there are a lot of voided space out there. It's just a lot of nothing out there. But from our reading the other day, we also know there are billions of galaxies. So we're going to add just a couple galaxies to our universe. We might have a galaxy that looks like this. We might have an elliptical galaxy. We might have a galaxy that looks like this. There are billions of galaxies in our universe. We'll add one down here. We have billions of galaxies inside our universe. So the universe is like our suitcase, and we're going to put everything inside. One of the galaxies that's super special is the galaxy we live in. Okay, so the second thing we're going to talk about is our galaxy. And our galaxy is a spiral galaxy, which means it has these little things that spin around. It's a spiral. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's got these arms that spin around it. If you've ever done like one of those spin arts, it spins really quick, and you put a little piece of, you drop some paint, and it spins all around. That's kind of what this spiral is. It's got all these arms that spiral around. This is called a spiral galaxy. And it's the one we live in, and its name is the Milky Way. Okay. And all around it, we know it's dark space out there. Okay. In our spiral galaxy is where we are. We can find ourselves in the spiral galaxy called the Milky Way. So on one of the arms, down low, right here, is where you're going to find our solar system. So we have our universe. In the universe, there's a galaxy called the Milky Way. In that galaxy is our solar system. It's only one small part of the whole galaxy. So we have our universe. We have our galaxy called the Milky Way. In the galaxy is our solar system. So our solar system, if we zoom in, we already know a lot about it. We know in our solar system there's a sun. And now because of technology, we know we actually revolve around the sun. The sun is really the center of our solar system. Okay? Then we have a little planet, and its name is Mercury. Okay, and I remember it because my very eager mother just served us nachos, and you'll see how that gets to the end. So we're going to have a little planet. Mercury is very small. I don't care what color it is, not important, but I do want it labeled Mercury. Mercury is one planet that we find in our solar system. All right. The next planet we're going to find in our solar system, and you want to make these kind of small so they'll fit all the way across. But this one is a little bigger than Mercury, and its name is Venus. My very, okay, Venus. So we have Mercury, and then we have Venus. These are all, so far, our inner planets. They're all very similar in atmosphere. And we're going to find they have some other things that are this close. The next one is our favorite. It's Earth. It's where we live. And it's about the same size as Venus. It's kind of just a fun fact. It's about the same size as Venus. Okay? And this is where we live, and we know it's called the Earth. My very eager. And then we have one more inner planet, and it's fairly small. And it's actually called the red planet, and its name is Mars. My very eager mother. These are all considered inner planets. But no matter what we consider them, remember, they're all in our solar system. Our solar system is in our galaxy, and our galaxy is our universe. All right, the next thing we have is called our asteroid belt. Okay, it's all these big rocks right here. They're space rocks, and we're going to learn more about them. And it's called our asteroid. Oops, I'll do it in a darker color. ASTEROID. Asteroid belt. Okay. There's all these big asteroids or space rocks out here. That's the dividing line between our inner planets and our outer planets. Once we get to our outer planets, those are actually called our gas giants because they're so big. Our first outer planet is Jupiter. Okay, these are all a little bigger. And they should be round, but I'm going to make them a little bit spherical, just so I don't run out of room. And its name is Jupiter. My very eager mother just. Okay, our next planet is what I would consider one of our prettiest planets. It's Saturn, and it has all those really pretty rings around it. And again, these are our gas giants. They're very big, and they have lots of different features from the inner planets. This is Saturn, and it, again, has those beautiful rings. And these are in our solar system. Remember, our solar system is in our galaxy. Our galaxy is in our universe. All right, our next planet in our solar system is Uranus. Uranus. And again, it's another gas planet. And our last one is Neptune. And like I said, my very eager mother just served us nachos. So if you remember that silly sentence or mnemonic, it helps you remember the order of the planets. These are our outer planets. And we also call them our gas giants. And we know all around us, we've got stars out here. But when we look out into the night sky, we still have a lot of darkness. So this is what we have in our solar system, but this is not all that's in our solar system. We have meteoroids, we have meteorites, we have asteroids, we have stars. We have lots of other things out there. But these are all the planets that are in our solar system. When we zoom in further, going down our address, we live on a very specific planet. So I'm going to just kind of sketch a little arrow showing that we're zooming in one more time. And what we live on is a planet called Earth. And we have North America with some Florida and some Maine and some Canada. We've got some Asia over here in Europe. We've got some South America going on down here, and a little Africa. We've got Hawaii way over here. But we know that most of our planet, and we got Greenland up here, but it should probably be white. Most of our planet's covered with water. We learned that in another unit. Okay? So we're down to Earth, which is our planet. And I live on North America in Johns Creek, so I'm going to just put a little dot right there because that's where I am. That would be me on the map. And we know it could be a light sky or a dark sky. I'm going to say it's day on this side, and I'm going to say it's night on this side, just for fun. So, if we talk about the path of our universe, here's me. I'm very, very small. When we talk about the whole breadth and depth of our universe, there's me, and I live on a planet. A planet's very small when you compare it to a solar system, because that planet is only one part of this big solar system that has all these other planets in it. All these planets in our solar system belong in a galaxy. And our specific galaxy is called the Milky Way, and it's a spiral galaxy. But our galaxy called the Milky Way is only one of billions of galaxies that we're going to find in our universe.